how to buy Solana meme coins on Coinbase Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So first things first that you need to have is of course a Coinbase account. But anyway, I could show you what you need to do even if I don't have an account here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your different assets here in our tradable over here or all assets. Then you could search some meme coins that you want to purchase from Solana. For example, we have here purple a PP over here. That's an example of a meme coin right now. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to open it and there should be a button over here below that would allow you to purchase. So right now it's showing me create an account, but for official one, this is what you would look like as you can see. So you will be able to buy that specific coin that you want. So of course, it is recommended that you have or you log into your account so that you will be able to access more of its feature. But that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.